Boundless Russia is poorly known to foreigners, and then mainly by a few popular regions. Everyone knows Moscow, many know Siberia, Lake Baikal or Kamchatka. However, the beautiful Ural region is known to few.
Hi dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to tell you about the city of Beloretsk, located in the southern Urals in the Republic of Bashkortostan.
We will get acquainted with this cozy town, lost among the Ural Mountains and dense forests. The city is located on the Belaya River, 245 kilometers southeast of the capital of the Republic, and 90 kilometers north of Magnitogorsk. The city of Beloretsk was founded in 1762 thanks to the construction of an ironworks. Now it is the Beloretsk metallurgical plant, which is part of the large concern Metro. The plant and mining settlement was founded in the Verkhnyorsk district of the Orenburg province by merchants Tverdyshev and Myasnikov on purchased Bashkir land of the Belokatayska Volost. Tverdyshev is considered the founding father of the city. A monument to him was erected on the bank of the Belaya River. In the 18th century, in connection with the creation of ironworks in the Urals, many settlements were founded. They all have common features: a dam, a factory pond, and endless forests around. Individual rural houses are located here next to modern city buildings. The population of Beloretsk in 2025 is more than 62,000 residents. The city is located at an altitude of 500 meters above sea level and is surrounded by peaks over 1,000 meters. In the vicinity of the city there is a beautiful peak Yalangas, 1,097 meters high. The city of Beloretsk is the administrative center of the Beloretsk district of Bashkortostan. The district covers an area of 11,500 square kilometers and is the largest in the Republic. It is located in the most elevated part of the southern Urals and is the richest forest territory in the Republic of Bashkortostan. There are 12 specially protected natural monuments here. One of the main advantages of the city and the region is the abundance of interesting natural objects and good ecology. The settlement received city status in 1924 and has been actively developing over the last century. Modern Beloretsk looks very green and cozy. Excellent landscaping combined with picturesque nature make a wonderful impression. The city has several parks and developed urban infrastructure. There are 13 schools and 15 kindergartens, 3 branches of universities. There is a city-equipped beach on the shore of the pond. There is even a ski center with lifts and a large modern stadium. Beloretsk can also boast of colorful architecture. Many buildings from the 19th and early 20th centuries have been well preserved. The building of the Beloretsk metallurgical plant administration is a striking example. The houses from the Stalin period also look great. Of course, the city has its own attractions. I will now introduce you to the main ones. The narrow gauge railway played a significant role in the development of the plant and the city. At the entrance to the city you will be met by the monument to the carriage. Nearby is the sculpture composition Moose. Like many cities, Beloretsk has its own observation deck. It is located on the Uroki rock massif. It offers a wonderful panorama of the plant and the pond. I also consider this place a must-see. In the recent past, the main city landmark was undoubtedly the wooden pedestrian bridge across the factory pond, 552 meters long. It was built in 1935 and until 2016 was considered the longest in Russia. It even appeared in cult Soviet films. Unfortunately, it gradually fell into disrepair and was dismantled. At present, only a fragment of the bridge remains, installed on the bank of the Belaya River opposite the Beloretsk metallurgical plant in the historical square. Now, the main attraction of Beloretsk is undoubtedly the perfectly preserved water tower built in 1916. There is even a small museum inside which you can visit for a modest 200 rubles. Let's take a look together at what's inside this colorful structure. This is where my film comes to an end. If you liked my work, please support it, like it, subscribe to the channel, write comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.